This meal's pretty decadent, so I'm not gonna stop at the dessert. This is gonna be absolutely crazy. So a sundae is open to interpretation. I'm using vanilla ice cream because that's what I have lying around, and then you just need to put a bunch of sweet treats on it. Yeah, vanilla ice cream, strawberries, they're all best friends, so I like a big amount of vanilla ice cream. So when I was a kid, my parents, every summer, we used to go on this big boating trip. And so we were at one of these marinas, and they gave me a couple bucks to go to the store, and I bought a lottery ticket. And I couldn't believe they sold me the lottery ticket. I think I was like, I don't know, maybe 12, and I won 100 bucks. And so I wasn't allowed sugar when I was a kid because I'd freak out. And then I came down with a huge strawberry sundae, and I was walking down the dock, and my mom was just like, no. No, it can't happen. But ever since I became an adult, I buy ice cream all the time and have it. Okay, look at these strawberries. This is really cool. You can see the juice in the bottom of it. It's really fun when you put a little bit of water, a little bit of sugar, and it kind of makes its own sauce in the bottom, and use it because it's full of flavor. Like, look at this. Just take some of that strawberry juice and put it on top of the ice cream. Vanilla, strawberry, they're best friends. And these are great. They're really simple to do, and even if you go buy those little cakes at the store, I make this all the time, like a strawberry shortcake, this is the best thing to do to strawberries. Just a little sugar, a little water, awesome. Okay, this is the fun part, the rest of the toppings. I say strawberry, you say chocolate. When you hit it on that vanilla ice cream, chocolate, strawberry, it's all making a lot of sense. Yes. Don't be shy, this is a sugar bomb. It's all about the decadence. And then for something crunchy, I use some nuts. If you don't like peanuts, like almonds work really good on this, but I like that big crunch of peanuts. And it wouldn't be a sundae if it didn't have sprinkles on it. Sprinkles is the part that makes me feel like a kid, and then you just see it with the sprinkles on there, and immediately, it's like a time machine. You're like, this is gonna be a good thing.